Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the rear brake caliper on Nissan Almera Tino. This is the brake caliper that I'm going to be replacing. The brake caliper is held by two bolts, one there, one up there. We also need to remove the bolt for the banjo bolt for the brake hose and also the parking brake. Next, I'm going to get big pliers and push the parking brake mechanism so that I can release the parking brake cable. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the parking brake cable released. Now there is a metal clamp that I need to remove in order to remove the cable from the brake caliper. Next, I'm going to remove the banjo bolt holding the brake hose. And next I'm going to remove the two bolts holding the brake caliper to the brake caliper support. Now that all the bolts are removed, now I'm going to take out the brake caliper and replace it with a new one. This is the new brake caliper that I'm going to put on, and this is the part number for it. Putting on the new brake caliper is in the exact reverse order. First we're going to put it in its place and put the two bolts on that are holding it to the brake caliper support. Next we're going to put on the banjo bolt along with the two washers on the brake hose and put it in its place and tighten it, and afterwards we're going to put on the parking brake cable. To put the parking brake cable in its place, we're going to use again big pliers just to push the parking brake mechanism in so that we can have enough space to put on the parking brake cable. And that's the brake caliper replaced. Now next we're going to bleed the brake caliper. In order to bleed the brake caliper, first we're going to remove the cap from the bleeding screw, and we're going to loosen it and then tighten it again. You get somebody in the car to push the brake pedal a couple of times and just hold it down while you just turn the bleeding screw for just a second, so that the air comes out, and then somebody presses the brake again for 5 times and you do the same again. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.